If you're shopping for a luxury BMW sedan, two of the most popular options are the BMW 330i and the BMW 530i. Both deliver premium comfort, advanced technology, and that signature BMW performance. But they offer different driving experiences. So today, we're comparing the BMW 330i to the BMW 530i to help you decide which sedan is right for you. Under the hood, both the BMW 330i and 530i are powered by a 2-liter BMW twin-power turbo inline-4 engine producing 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. But even with similar power numbers, these BMW models are completely different on the road. The BMW 330i is lighter, more agile, and delivers a sportier overall experience. Steering feels sharper, accelerations feel quicker, and it really captures the classic BMW sports sedan feel. The BMW 530i focuses more on smoothness and comfort. The larger body and longer wheelbase creates a quieter, more refined ride, especially during highway cruising and longer trips. Inside, both sedans feature BMW's curved digital display, premium materials, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the latest iDrive system. But the BMW 530i offers more interior space. You get more rear seat legroom, a larger trunk, and a cabin designed with comfort in mind. The 530i also offers more available luxury-focused upgrades and premium features. Meanwhile, the BMW 330i keeps things more driver-focused with a cockpit-style interior and a slightly sportier feel behind the wheel. The BMW 330i measures about 186 inches long, making it easier to park and maneuver around tight city streets. The BMW 530i stretches over 199 inches long, offering more passenger room and cargo capacity for families or drivers who spend more time traveling. So which BMW should you choose? Choose the BMW 330i if you want sportier handling, easier city driving, better overall value, and a more engaging driving experience. Choose the BMW 530i if you want more interior space, a smoother, quieter ride, executive-level luxury, and greater comfort for your passengers. At the end of the day, both these vehicles provide the premium BMW experience. It just depends on what matters most to you. To learn more about both of these vehicles, you can visit us at Patrick BMW in Schaumburg, Illinois, or view our inventory online at patrickbmw.com.